Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn English with a simple story called Going to Bed. This story will help you practice everyday actions step by step using easy English sentences. So, listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to imagine the pictures in your mind.
Going to bed. It is 10 o'clock at night. The old man is watching TV. TV program is finished. He wants to sleep. He stretches and yawns. He goes into the bedroom. He switches on the table lamp. He takes off his shoes and socks. He takes off the sweater. He takes off the trousers. He puts on the pajamas. He pulls back the blanket. He switches off the table lamp. He sits on bed. He lies down. He pulls up the blanket. He falls asleep. Finally, he is dreaming about his families.
Great job, everyone! You have just learned how to describe simple daily actions in English with the story Going to Bed. Remember, the more you practice these short sentences, the more natural your English will become. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English stories. See you in the next video!